Hello everyone, in this video we are going to figure out which number is larger, and I will do it in 3 ways. Let's start. Let me show the first way. So here I'm going to start from 80 to the power of 13. Let me rewrite as it is, 80 to the power of 13, and this one is strictly less than 81 to the power of 13, and I can express 81 to the power of 13 as 3 to the power of 4 to the power of 13, and by using the following formula, and we know that a to the power of n to the power of m is always equal to a to the power of n times n. So therefore, using this formula, I can express the last expression as 3 to the power of 52, and this one is strictly less than 3 to the power of 56, and again I can express 3 to the power of 56 as 3 to the power of 2 to the power of 28, and this is going to be equal to 9 to the power of 28, and this one is strictly less than 10 to the power of 28. And as you can see, overall we can conclude that 80 to the power of 13 is always less than 10 to the power of 28. So this was the first method. So let me show the second way. So the second way is, let me again start from 80 to the power of 13. So I can express this as 8 to the power of 13 times 10 to the power of 13, or this is going to be equivalent to 80 to the power of 8 to the power of 13 times 10 to the power of 28, and to get 10 to the power of 13 I have to multiply by 10 to the power of minus 15, and this is going to be equivalent to 88 to the power of 13 divided by, so to eliminate this negative power I have to write this number in the denominator, so therefore 10 to the power of 15 times 10 to the power of 28, and we can clearly see that 8 to the power of 13 divided by 10 to the power of 15 is less than 1. So therefore, if this one is less than 1, then 8 to the power of 13 divided by 10 to the power of 15 times 10 to the power of 28 is always less than 10 to the power of 28. And here we can conclude that since this one is 80 to the power of 13 is always less than 10 to the power of 28. So this was the second way. So let me show the last way. So third way is, let me take from both numbers logarithm with base 10. So therefore I will get from 80 to the power of 13 logarithm of 80 to the power of 13 is equal to, so by using the following formula, so we know that logarithm of a over b to the power of k, so to eliminate this k I have to write as k times logarithm of a over b. So using this formula, now I can express this logarithm as 13 times logarithm of 80, or this one is equal to 13 times, so I can express this logarithm as logarithm of 8 times 10, and this is going to be equivalent to, again by using the following formula, so we know that logarithm of a over b times k is always equal to logarithm of a over b plus logarithm of a over k. Now using this formula I can express this one as 13 times logarithm of 8 and plus logarithm of 10, and we see that this one is equal to 1, or this is going to be equivalent to 13 times logarithm of 8 and plus 1. So let me now take the logarithm from the second number, and as you remember the second number was 10 to the power of 28, and if we take logarithm, then logarithm of 10 to the power of 28, and by using this formula I'll get 28 times logarithm of 10. And we see that since the base of this logarithm of 10, therefore this one is 1, so this is going to be equal to 28. Now we have to compare this number with this. So let me write here. So 13 times logarithm of 8 plus 1 and 28. And we see that logarithm of 8 is less than 1. So therefore, this product plus 1 is less than 26. And here we see that 26 is less than 28. So therefore, we can conclude that 13 times logarithm of 8 plus 1 is less than 28. And here we'll get that again 18 to the power of 13 is always less than 10 to the power of 28. So this is our final answers and solutions. Thank you for watching. Please comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel.